Okay, you go over here. I think get the light behind me would be better. So what did you think, George? Was it good? Was Zachary the best thing in it? Yeah, not that good, huh? So would you like to be in a play someday yourself? Really? What kind of dog do you have, George? A bearded dog. A dog with a beard. A dog with a water glass on his beard. A dog with a bearded water glass. A dog with a bottle in his nose. A bottle dog. A bottlenose dog. I see. What do you think of Wesley? Oh, a dog with a bottle in his ear. A bottle-eared dog. That's what it is. She's a bottle-eared dog. I see. And what's Wesley like? How would you describe Wesley? Okay, he's got two dogs. Two dogs have bottles in their ears.